Hello family, I hope your week has been okay. This video is a really quick one, guys. If you're struggling to maintain your hair or just want a cute simple hairstyle to take you through the week, this video is for you. Enjoy. So I sectioned my hair into two parts, but you can have as many sections as you want and begin to do a flat twist. If this is your first time doing this, it might not come as easy and simple, but it really is. Please continue to practice until you get it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing after this video. I've got other videos that you may be interested. Don't forget to check them out. And to my subscribers, I say thank you so much for sticking with me. 2021 is going to be different. I'm going to be uploading a bit more regular, so stick with me and let's grow together. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye. Oh, and also don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends and loved ones to help a sister out. Thank you.